In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove saved notes from NotebookLM. We'll take you through each step to ensure you can manage your notes effectively and maintain a clutter-free workspace. Whether you're cleaning up your digital space or just looking to keep things organized, it's important to know how to handle your notes properly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open NotebookLM by navigating to notebooklm.google.com. Do make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to do that to access your stored notebooks. Once you're in, you'll see the home page, which will display all your notebooks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to this platform. On this page, you'll be able to identify the specific notebook you wish to delete. After you have located the notebook you want to remove, you will see a small three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu, next to the notebook title. Click on this menu. It's a common feature across many apps that allows you to perform additional actions without cluttering the interface. After clicking the three-dot menu, a drop-down menu will appear. From this, you'll want to select Delete. It's important to proceed with caution here, as deletion is permanent. Go ahead and click on Delete, and you will be prompted with a confirmation message. This step is crucial. When prompted, you need to confirm the deletion. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions because once a notebook is deleted, it cannot be recovered. At this stage, make sure you've selected the correct notebook and are certain about your choice to delete it. A key point to remember is that NotebookLM currently doesn't offer a feature to duplicate or recover deleted notes. It's a good habit to regularly back up any crucial information elsewhere or consider using the pin feature within NotebookLM for notes you want to keep handy. Pinning a response can serve as a useful way to store important information without cluttering your digital space with multiple notebooks. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and clear out your saved notes in NotebookLM. It's always a good idea to keep your digital workspace tidy, which helps in improving productivity and ensuring that important information is always easy to find. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you navigate NotebookLM with confidence and ease.